What's poppin'? It's your girl TinaBlingz and we back again with a hair vlog. Today we are finally coloring my hair. As you can see, we already lifted it. If you want to see that video where I lifted that color out of my hair, you will go on and watch that video and then come back to this one for we could be on the same page, sis. So without further ado, I am gonna introduce the color that I'm gonna do with my hair. So we're gonna go in with this Kiss Pink by Sparked. I decided to just do the Kiss Pink on my ends because, let me take this off so you can see the real difference. You can see that my ends are really like blonde, like bleach blonde. So I was like, you know what? Let me enjoy this little yellow tone. And I'm gonna throw some Kiss Pink on the ends. I think that would be like real cute. It's giving me like a little summer vibe. I haven't been like blonde. It's not even blonde. It's kind of like an orange. I didn't put like a, what is it called? I used a toner shampoo, but I didn't use like an actual toner to, you know, make my hair that blonde, like to take the brass out. But I don't mind the brass. Like I think it's actually pretty cute. So yeah, let's get coloring. Woo! Can't wait, so let's get started. What you want to do is part your hairs in four.
I thought it was love, but it was lust and it don't last. Run another check up on these niggas, yeah, so fast. I just hit my homie with that alley, that's a pass. Making all these hits, I had to get it just like this. Get into the cash, but I do it just like this. Fuck all of them.
So my hair is all sectioned off, looking crazy. You're gonna grab your color. Let me read first to see how long. I haven't did this color in a little minute. How long I leave it on? I think I leave it on for like 20 minutes. I think it was like 20 minutes last time. So we're gonna go plus 20. Let's see. What does it say? 20 minutes to process and room temperature. So this is the color that we're going for. Can't wait. So right here I have a nice little coloring bowl, a brush, and the actual color. So open it up, have a little point, pop, there you go, your color right there. I did this color before. Now that I'm looking at it, I definitely did this color before. So this is gonna be cute. And then simply just pour. I'm gonna use this whole tube, so I'm just gonna pour it all into my mixer bowl. I put all the color in here. This is the, let me stop saying, I don't know what's wrong. I keep on saying Pink Kiss. It is Pink Kiss or Kiss Pink, like, I don't know. So, it's all done. Might as well throw this out. And yeah, I'm gonna put on some gloves. We need gloves. Let me go get my gloves. Hold on. Okay, so I grabbed a pair of gloves. And now I guess it's time to get coloring. I'm so excited for this color. Like I said, I just want to get them on my ends. I'm really going to try my hardest to just get them on the ends. That's it. So I want to be as neat as possible.
Some fucked up shit, I'm not some fucked up shit. I was just trying to give you the plane, go get rich. But you just got on my nerves and now you on some shit. But when I'm all alone, I just love to sit reminisce. I'm sitting back cool and I'm focused on making hits. I get to the top, get to the guap. Lord, I flex the game. Lord, I need the chain. Double the belly, I'm going insane. Is that really your man? She give me brain for the pain. She give me brain for the pain. She give me brain for the pain. I remember days that happened.
I bought this cute little timer from Dollar Tree, so we're gonna set it for 20 minutes. It's 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. And yeah, so let's put on the cap. I have a plastic cap. You can use a garbage bag. Not a garbage bag, like you know the bags you get from the store. or whatever you have in your crib, so you can like encapsulate that heat. And yeah, so I'm gonna let this bake up. I'm actually gonna go out in the backyard, chill out, and then I'll be back to wash out, and then we'll see how this color turned out. I'll see y'all in a few. 3, 2, 1. It's ready. It's ready. It's ready. It's ready. All right, so stop her right there. This is the Clairol conditioner. This is the step 3. So yeah, I mean, if you do have some color safe shampoo, use it, but I'm gonna get rid of these, so I'm just gonna go ahead and wash out with this. I'm downstairs, so I'm not gonna like show you how I wash out. Just make sure that you're rinsing until the water runs clear, then go in with your shampoo, rinse until the water runs clear. If you feel like there's still more color in your hair, put some more conditioner and rinse till the water runs clear. You do not want to have color in your head. I'm telling you, I made that mistake before and it burnt. I mean, it didn't like intensely burn my hair, but it burned. Like an itch is gonna be, you know, it's something on your head that shouldn't be on your head for that long. Let me stop talking because the 20 minutes is up. I'll see y'all in a minute. Okay, so is everybody ready for the big reveal? Because I know I am. I'm gagging. Gagging. Hold on. I had to question the gag. All right, so let's get going. 1, 2, 3. Oh, this color is so cute. Oh my god. Oh, this is really cute. My look.
Beautiful.
Right? I had to step out on that one. So yes, guys, I love it. Let's put it up in a ponytail so you can see. Oh, yes, and that was the look. That's the look I'm going for. Like, I love it. I love my hair. I love it. I love it. I love it. Love it. I'm just so happy and on. So yes, you guys see my reaction. I love my hair. This, I'm giving it a thumbs up. Like, it's so cute. Like, I feel so spring, so light, so lovely. Oh, honey. Thanks for watching.